Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Nokia software engineering role for freshers. You can see now, this is my profile, my submission, check out inside. Software engineer Nokia Uttar Pradesh, India. Apply for this, share for this, sign up, and a common create a technology that would act as a together. You just want to create account in mobile or anywhere. And this is what you will learn and contribute, what your skill and experience. Qualification will be btech in computer science and telecom electronics. Good coding ends with knowledges such as Java, C, Python, basic knowledges of MS Power Platform, superior analytic skill and problem solving skill, good communication skill both written and spoken, creativity, self-confidence, flexibility, time period. This is all that they're expecting from students. Nokia committed to inclusion, equal opportunities employed. What we offer? Flexible hybrid working scheme. So hybrid means it is a work from home job. So don't continue yourself. Continuous learning opportunity, well-being program, and opportunity resource groups and driving terms and this all they're providing. Just want to apply here or just to create a account in Nokia and it will be helpful for you in lifetime you can apply. If you have any doubt in applying this stuff, you just comment me in the comment section. I'll provide the link in the description. So apply as much you can. All graduates from 2019 to 2022 they can apply. They didn't mention anything. So you can apply now with the good coding knowledge in C Python. So if you have interest, just apply now. Thanks for watching this channel, guys.